been working overtime, or at home trying to make that truck run right. Instead of waiting out in that stream all day long, barely catching a thing, just me and Dad. I'm glad he talked me into that. It was time well wasted, and there's no way I'd trade a few more dollars in my pocket I could have spent for a day that I'll never forget. No, I didn't get a thing done, but I sure soaked up every minute of the memory we were making, and I counted all this time well wasted. Those leaves were a foot deep in the yard, and "Wash Me" was written all over the car. Watching movies all day with you wasn't on my list of things to do, but we laid on that couch. Girl, we never left the house. It was time well wasted, and there's no way I'd trade a few more things that I could have crossed off my list for a day that I'll never forget. No, I didn't get a thing done, but I sure soaked up every minute of the memory we were making, and I counted all this time well wasted. This world spins too fast if you let it. There's always one more thing to do. Looking back, I never have regretted taking off early, calling in sick, loving away a Sunday afternoon. It was time well wasted, and there's no way I'd trade a few more things that I could have crossed off my list for a day that I'll never forget. No, I didn't get a thing done, but I sure soaked up every minute of the memory we were making, and I counted all this time well wasted. Yeah, I counted all this time well wasted.
livet tar slut kan vi dra en plog och harv över jorden varv efter varv. Allt vad barnen drömt om finns i deras monolog. Universum ryms i en kub på bara 14 tum. Ge en äng med
and money. Dad, get me out of this. Ha! I'm the innocent bystander. Somehow I got stuck between the rock and the hard place, and I'm down on my luck. Yes, I'm down on my luck. Well, I'm down on my luck. I'm hiding in Honduras. I'm a desperate man. Send lawyers, guns, and money. This shit has hit the fan. Alright, send lawyers, guns, and money. Send lawyers, guns, and money. Send lawyers, guns, and money. Hey! Send lawyers, guns, and money. Oh! Yeah.
Ganska häftigt ställe.
stay. Someplace where they never change the sheets, and you just pull around Denver all day.
Helvete vad snö det är. Ja, vi provar. Om du, ja, jag måste ju ge järnet här. Aj!
I fall off my chair, and I'm wondering how I get down the stairs. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Yes, I'm stuck in the middle with you, and I'm wondering what it is I should do.
Men återigen, jag tror inte vi har så bråttom runt. Det här har du ju gott om plats, se till att det ser så här liksom. Jokers to the right, here I am, stuck in the middle with you. When you started out with nothing and you found that you're a self-made man, and your friends they all come crawling, slap you on the back and say, Här gick jag. Fan!
trying to make some sense of it all, but I can see it makes no sense at all. Is it cool to go to sleep on the floor? 'Cause I don't think that I can take anymore. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you.
på film.